Students, how are you all? Hope safe at your home. I hope you all are learning the videos which the teachers are giving of all the subjects, and side by side you are completing your copies also. So students, again after an interval of a time, again I am back with a new topic of literature book, second chapter, Malala. It's a poem written by Ron Hendrik. So before we start reading the poem, I am going to tell you about Malala. Who is she? What she has done. This poem is about Malala Yousafzai, a young activist from Pakistan. From her early age, she has championed the cause of education for children in her home country. She was born in Mingora, Pakistan on July 12. Her father was a teacher and he ran school for the girls. But when Taliban took control, they banned many things like television, music, and gave harsh punishments those who defied their orders. Means when they attack on that country, they started giving the punishments to those pupils, those who are not obeying their orders. They said that girls could no longer go to school for studies. So that time, Malala was the lone one girl who stand for the girls' education. And just because of this, one of the gunmen shot her on left side of her head. Because Malala was fighting against their rule. She wanted that it should be compulsory for the girls also to be educated. So she fought for this, and just because of this thing, she has to face a severe problem. She survived a very long time, but after some time she became better. After the many surgeries, she recovered. She continued her work for the benefit of girls. Her work is to teach the girls. She wants that girls should be educated. They should go to school, colleges and gain the higher education. She won the Nobel Prize in 2014 at the very young age of 17. So this is a small summary about Malala. Who is she, where she born, and what her main dream to do. Where there is darkness, light is forbidden. The brightest of sparks have to be hidden. Means if we want to do something in the life, we go on doing hard work and somehow the light come in our life. Yet radiance shines through and goodness will thrive. Courage and kindness will always survive. Means if we are doing the work with full of courage, then God will help us. By many up and downs, at last we get our target. Malala Yousafzai, a girl with a heart, vowed to be true to make a new start. She demanded to know in consternation, how dare they take away my education? Darkness came swiftly to shoot down her dreams. Right in her school bus, she conquered their screams. Bravely she blocked on to fight for her choice. The world quieted down to hear her sweet voice. I am Malala is a battle cry for children who yearn to reach the sky. She wants to get that authority that the girls should get education. They should go to school, they achieve their goals in the life. And just because of this target, she faces many up and downs, she faces many problems. But at last, she succeeds. So students, this is a small poem of Malala. There are 2 or 3 meanings in your book. Please learn those meanings. And with this video only, I'll give you the question answers, which you can write in your copy, and please learn this lesson. So students, these are the question answers which you have to complete in your copy. Thank you.